Rock out in the designer, can't even pronounce the name. The way you move your body got me in a maze. First time that she saw me, she going, no, I don't chase at all. Alright, y'all, so I just got done cleaning this ACKEE. I should have recorded it for y'all, but when I got done with my workout, the camera had died, and I just wanted to get straight to it before I took a shower. So I cleaned all this just to get this. I mean, it don't seem like a lot, but it's enough for me and my family for about more than one time, so that's a good thing. It took a while. Start thugging until I'm gone. Rock out in the designer, can't even.
Bye, have a great time.